I just got this game called Five Nights at Candy's, and it's a new game. So I want to see what else to do. Candy's, Burgers, and Friends. Sandwich, restaurant. Oh, okay, I can't read that all. Really. First night, 12 a.m. Hello? 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 Anybody here? Is my office pitch dark? Hello? Oh, jeez! Hello? Hello? I never played this game, so I'll listen.
One new message. Hello? Hello? Hi? Junior manager here.
Hamburger right here.
Yeah, it's great to finally have someone
It's a
qualified.
Candy and Sydney. Let's see where everybody is. I know all their names already. What?
But with you,
What?
now we have more energy.
But here we go. Oh. Alright, Candy and Sydney are on the main stage.
You may have heard about the place.
Anybody in the main party room? Okay, no one's in the main party room. Anyone in the main hall too? Nope. Anybody in entrance hall? Nope. Anybody in main hall 3? Nope. Anybody in main hall 1? No. Anybody in backstage 2? No. Anyone in backstage 1? No. Anybody in the arcade area? No. Anybody in... Wait, a door? Is that... Oh, I know. That's rad.
Now, in order to save power, of course, all the lights will at night be turned
Anybody?
off.
Okay, no
Don't
one.
worry, we have a desk lamp.
There's a penguin and weird candy, I think it's... Ooh, it's blank. What's the penguin? I don't know what... Oh, it's 1 a.m.
These cameras were the cheapest we could
Let's
get.
guys, let's wait for 2 a.m. So we can make it. So that's when all the animatronics move and find the fridge. 2, 1, 3,
This is mainly so
4.
that our electricity bill doesn't skyrocket during the night if somebody forgot to turn off something somewhere, you know.
So night 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m.
Which you can tell because of the window
are
counter.
active nights for the animatronics.
This is for the security door in front of the
I think it's going to turn 2 a.m. now.
and right are also 2 doors.
Now? What the heck? It's not even 2 a.m. It's been 3 minutes already.
They require
That's been 2 minutes. Oh,
I think it was something about some computer or somewhere always checking if they're closed or not. Or maybe it was a security feature, you know, in case the place goes dark. Like if there was power,
Jeez.
you
2 more minutes.
the doors open up automatically if that happens.
At the end of the video. Oh, jeez. Oh.
So basically don't use too much power. Otherwise the place will shut off completely.
2 a.m. Yes.
As I said, the doors will open up if that happens. So you won't be
Took forever.
I think
Be
that
2
will
a.m. Now you just have
yeah.
to sit here
go on your
and
first night.
wait.
Don't
Oh
fall
no.
asleep, and have a good
I
night.
forgot about 2 a.m. Jeez, that's scary. I don't like this music. There, I hate that music. It's so scary. Jeez. No one. First I thought that was Candy. Anybody moving? No one's in there. Chester's not in there. Someone moved. Oh gosh. Candy's gone. Where is she? There you are, little Candy. Yeah, I have to beat this night. Right. Okay, never mind. Whoa, no, what is Sydney? Okay. Sydney's in Cam 12 and Candy's in Cam 2. Okay, just nowhere. Okay, I'm never going to check any camera except this one. These are the cameras. That one, that one, that one, and this one. So I'm going to wait till 4 a.m. and they'll start killing me. Everything. Oh. Oh. Come on. It's 4 a.m. RICA 21999 999999999. No gesture. No gesture. 5 a.m. Come on. I want to end the video at 8 minutes. Ooh. 5. Whoa. 4 a.m. Come on, turn 5 a.m. I'm gonna kill myself. I wanna die. No Chester. No you. Okay, nobody. Candy. Oh no, Sydney's gone. Sydney's gone. Candy. Hello. Sydney. There you are, Sydney. I want to watch camera. 5 a.m. Yes. Sydney. Candy. Candy's in Cam 3. Sydney's in Cam 2. See, Blank. Blank's never going to get us. Okay. Oh. Candy. Sydney's in Cam 5 and no, Candy's in Cam. Oh no! Who's that? Candy, get out of there! Get out of there! Okay. Hey Sydney, I'm watching you. Where's Candy? Candy's on stage. Sydney, I'm watching till 6 a.m. Okay, it's gonna be 9 minutes. I'm gonna end the video. It's gotta be. It can't be 10 minutes. Jeez. Why does this have to be a long? This isn't how long it's going to be for next time. It's like 1 minute quicker because I had 1 minute on the. Oh, hey, Candy. Yes, I think Sydney was at the door. Yes, I beat the game. I beat the game. Wait, no, I didn't. I beat like 1. Yeah. Hello. Floating fed. Hello. Jeez. Anybody in here? This is too creepy. Anybody here? No! 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 Sad puppet. I'm watching you. No way.